Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm cooking chicken tikka masala from scratch. A quick tip before I begin is to sieve your almonds before use. This will leave lovely fine ground almonds for your dish. Heat a pan on low to medium and add your choice of oil. Add the garlic and ginger paste. Here I'm using the frozen blocks you can get from the supermarket for convenience, along with the tomato puree. Stir well and let the rawness cook out for a minute or two. You'll find the concentrated tomato puree is far easier to combine if you water it down before using. Try 1 part tomato puree to 3 parts water. Time to start adding the spices, so in with the coriander, cumin, turmeric and Kashmiri chilli powder, and then finally the tandoori masala powder. Mix them through, adding a little water where needed to keep things liquid. Allow to fry out for a couple of minutes before sprinkling over the coconut milk powder, ground almonds and sugar. It's also worth adding some more water at this point to enable you to combine well. In the southeast where I'm from, this is quite a sweet dish, so adjust the sugar to your preference. Traditionally, tikka masala in restaurants are bright red. I'm not adding this today, but these little pots of food colouring powder are what you're looking for to achieve that depth of colour. Once you see the oil start to separate, add the remaining water, cream and your choice of meat, combining well. I'm using my chicken tikka in this dish, and I'll leave a link to that recipe in the description below. Turn the heat up to medium-high and allow to reduce for 5 to 10 minutes. For those who are interested, I get all my spices from this company, East at Home. I'll also leave their link to their website down below. Stir the reducing dish every few minutes, folding in the caramelised sides, and when nearly done, sprinkle over the fenugreek leaves and garam masala, stirring in well. I love my tikka masala quite thick, so if I pull my spatula from one side to the other and the sauce fills the gap slowly, it's done. When you're happy with the consistency, top with a drizzle of cream and serve with my pilau rice and a fresh homemade naan. Please remember to like and subscribe, and check out this and all my recipes at thecurrykid.co.uk.